Plus, for the industrial production, we're going to discuss about the competitiveness uh, in production. Okay, so first, competitiveness and strategy in the industry. Okay, so understanding competitiveness is very important for industrial success. Para sa success ng industrial production, no? Dapat maintindihan nila yung anong ara sa ila nga maging competitive. Okay? So this drives efficiency, of course. Ang presence ng efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction dapat ara sa operations. Okay? So, imagine, Abi, may duwa ka appliance manufacturers. So, ang manufacturer A consistently produces high quality, durable washing machines at a competitive price. Okay? And quickly brings new models with innovative features, no, to market. And then si manufacturer B, nag-struggle siya with quality issues, no? Tapos higher production cost, mas malang yang cost sa pag-produce and slow product development. So si manufacturer A, nag-demonstrate ng strong competitiveness, leading to greater market share and customer loyalty. While si manufacturer B will likely to struggle for industrial success. Okay, so dapat makakumpit ka man sa market, no? So you check your competitiveness. Okay? So number one, we have the key determinants, no? Reducing operational expenses. Okay? Number one is cost efficiency, reducing operational expenses. So, achieving lower cost enhances overall profitability and competitiveness. For example, Abi sa automotive assembly plant, no, implements lean manufacturing techniques to reduce waste. Example, minimizing inventory, optimizing machine setup times, reducing defects. Okay? So, by doing so, malower ang cost per vehicle produced. Okay? Making their cars more competitively priced, no? Sa ang iya presyo, tama sa iya kwalidad, and increasing their profit margins. Okay. Number two, meeting customer expectations. So, delivering high quality products foster customer loyalty and trust. So, example, Abi, a company that manufactures surgical instruments, no? So, they invest heavily in precision engineering and rigorous testing. So, this ensures that their instruments meet the highest medical standards. Okay? So, fostering trust among surgeons and hospitals and establishing them as a premium reliable brand. Okay? So, it always boils down to the quality of the product. Okay? Para ma-meet mo expectations ng mo clients or customers. Then we have the responsiveness. So, responsiveness, adapting to market changes. Kung nagalain na ang market, dapat maka-adapt ka. So, quick response times can boost customer satisfaction significantly. Ang example natin diri, let's say abe sa fashion apparel manufacturer. So, uses real-time sales data to quickly identify trending styles. Okay? Dapat niyara sila sang data dayon nga real time. Kumbaga, ara dayon, no? Insigida para mabalaan nila insigida man kung ano ang trending para ano muna ang ilang nga ma-produce nga apparel. So, they can then rapidly adjust their production. Ma-adjust ang production line, no? Hindi sila mag-overproduce to sa ang 5 months ago nga uso. Okay? So kay mabakita nila nga sa mga pala doa mo na ang trends sang fashion amo nang ila nga i-produce. So para ma-align nila pati yung scheduling, ma-align na nila tanan. So they can rapidly adjust their production lines para maka-produce kag maka-distribute these mga popular items within weeks, no, para ma-captures of course ang market demand, no, before nga maglain na naman ang trend. Okay. So sa competitiveness we have tools, no. So I'll give you the overview. Ang SWOT analysis. So ang SWOT analysis amo ni identify strengths and weaknesses naton. Okay? Sa stands for strength, W for weaknesses, and of course ano pa, O for opportunities, and T for ano ang T? Pati ako doon nalipat sang T. Strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and nalipat ko sang tihaw. Ano ganin yung T Threats. Okay, threats. So, ang ini nag-identify kung ang isa ka, for example, labi may nag-research ka sa market, okay, or let's say may business idea ka. So dapat i-analyze mo na siya sa imong nga tool, magamit ka bisang tool. Okay, so ang paggamit mo sa tool, analyze opportunities. Magamit ka sang SWOT, ma-identify mong strength, weaknesses. So analyze opportunities in the market. So ma-determine mo yung mga potential threats to growth. So example, tatabi a small specialized machinery manufacturer might identify its highly skilled engineering team as a strength, but its reliance on a single supplier for a critical component as a weakness. So ang opportunity naman could be the growing demand for automated solutions in newly industry sector. So while ang threat naman could be a large established competitor. Okay? So announcing plans to enter this market could be a threat. Okay? Now, ano naman ang isa ka competitive tools? Let's have the overview. Benchmarking and customer focus. So, you compare performance against competitors. You will understand customer needs and preferences by benchmarking. So, you continuously improve based on feedback. So, example sa benchmarking, let's say, ang chemical processing plant wants to improve its energy consumption. So, it compares its energy usage per ton of product against the industry's top performers. So, by identifying the practices and technologies used by the most energy efficient plants, it can set realistic targets and implement changes. Okay? So, ang competitive advantage, let's go. This is important or essential for long-term business success and growth. So, example, ang food packaging company implements Kaizen program. So, ang Kaizen program, empowering all employees to suggest and implement small incremental improvements to their production lines daily. So, over time, these small changes lead to significant gains in efficiency. It reduced waste and enhanced product quality. How about naman sa customer focus? So, aligning products with customer needs boost satisfaction. So, example, ang software company develops industrial control systems regularly, conducts surveys and holds focus groups with its clients. So, based on this feedback, they prioritize new features and improvements such as making interfaces more intuitive, So, nagina-align nila yung product with customer needs and boosting satisfaction. How about sa supply chain? So, this enhances efficiency and reduces operational cost significantly. Example, Abis Electronics manufacturer, no, collaborate closely with its component suppliers to implement a just-in-time inventory system. So, I've mentioned several times ang JIT, just in time. Mean to say, kung kinahanglan mo yung isa, let's say, yung spare parts or anything, miyara sang just in time nga parts, okay? Sige, daara dayon, just in time. So, components are delivered precisely when needed for production, ara ang kung kinahanglan na siya. So, just in time. So, drastically, gina-reduce ang warehousing costs and minimizing the risk of um, ano, kulang, no, sa production. Now, the benchmarking practices, as mentioned kagina, diri mo na ma-compare sa benchmarking. So, gina-analyze mo ang mga competitors, ma-help mo identify ang mga areas for enhancements para sa imo naman nga production. So, example, as mentioned previously, ang chemical processing plant compares its energy usage per ton of product against competitors to identify areas for enhancement, 'di ba? So, we have the strategic foundation analysis. So, we have the production strategies timeline or MTS. Okay? So, make to stock ang meaning sang MTS, make to stock. So, efficient inventory management for foster deliveries ni. So, ang company ga produce ang standardized consumer goods like detergents or butang tabi canned foods will use MTS nga strategy. Make to stock. Make to stock. Tandaan, make to stock. So, they forecast demand, produce large batches. So, produce sila sang damo-damo, kay gagamit sila sang MTS nga strategy. Usually, sa mga kumpanya ni sa mga canned foods, sa mga detergent. So, make to stock. Ang stock, gastock sila sa mga items para nga ma-allow nilang ang immediate fulfillment sa mga retail orders. Kaya ang make, tapos miyara kita sang, kundi may make to stock, miyara naman make to order. So these are customized production based on specific customer orders. Okay? So ang manufacturer custom design sa industrial ovens operates on an MTO basis or made to order basis. So each even is built to specific client specification. Kung ano ang gusto sang client. So production only begins once a firm order is placed, no? Kung ordero na, dira na yan magsugod ang production. So, make to order, allowing for highly customized production. Operational planning milestone. Okay? Arigali, ang make to stock, kagang MTO. Na. We have the operational planning milestone. So, we have the capacity, no? Assessing production needs to optimize resource allocation and minimize waste. So, example, ang seasonal nga toy manufacturer needs to assess production ahead of the holiday rush. Okay, let's say abi kung pang summer nga toys, pang Christmas nga toys. So they determine they need to increase their capacity by 30%, let's say, during the third quarter. So this actually involves hiring temporary staff or running extra shifts and ensuring sufficient raw materials. Sa layout naman, designing workspaces for efficiency. productivity and safety in manufacturing process. So for instance, ang furniture factory ga-redesign sang workshop layout from separate departments to a U-shape naman, creating a smooth linear flow of production. So this significantly reduces material handling time and improves productivity. Okay. For the location, choosing strategic sites that reduce cost and improve logistics for supply chain. So, nagapili sa sang strategic nga sites, no? So, example, ang bag-ubi nga agricultural equipment manufacturer chooses a factory site in a region kundiin with abundant skilled labor. The proximity to major railway lines and highways for efficient distribution and close steel suppliers to reduce transportation costs for raw materials. Okay? So, thank you. No? So, open na kamo to ask questions and thank you for listening.